Hey everyone, it's a little loud here, but at Cerenity Recovery Cafe, location in Anderson, Indiana, is 19 West 10th Street, and it's right across from the Anderson Museum of Art. There's a great deal of community activities going on here. You don't have to worry about if you got babies and no babysitter. Bring your babies here with you, because everybody is just so loving and so caring, and of course New Year's Eve coming up, and there's an event that will be here for the community at 4 o'clock. Going to count down the new year with England, all right, and then they're going to eat some food. I mean, it's just incredible. Donations are always welcome here, and there's a session that I am blessed to be able to be a part of on Tuesdays at 5:30. You know, we say 5 o'clock, but we gather, we snack. But at 5:30 every Tuesday until the end of January, there's a women's session that I help to lead to just basically help women get over the things that they feel that are breaking them. And we basically just want to help each other out, you know. So I'm no expert, but being 71, I figured a little bit of something I might be able to assist with. And there's sessions for the men earlier as well. So go to Cerenity Recovery Cafe Anderson.org. Serenity Recovery Cafe Anderson.org. The meals that they have are not out of the can. They're all very fresh and very good. And I just want to say thanks. Shout out to Herman and Octavia, who do a magnificent job with this place. Again, they have corporate support, but your donations are always welcome. And if your babies need socks and things like that, in the back, there's still a bunch of stuff left over from the warming party they had, the blanket giveaway, and people have got coats. I mean, there was so much here, and we can't do it without the community. So if you're from my hometown, Anderson, Indiana, come on by and check them out. The hours are listed on the website, and we're just so glad to be able to be of service to people who just want to be accepted for who they are and not put down for the mistakes they made in the past. I'm witness. I just thank you for your support in advance. I get nothing from this. I love sharing as a writer and caring about people's stories, and then help them kind of sort those things out with some of the background that I've been blessed to learn from some very, very smart, caring people. So again, Cerenity Recovery Cafe Anderson. Every first Friday, there's a fish fry fundraiser. Every third Friday, there is karaoke. That's a lot of fun. So that's my invitation to you for 2026. God bless. Hope y'all take care. And of course, there is BetterThanDonuts.com. We do fundraising tours as well, but we got to talk to your nonprofit organization if we're going to make it happen. So y'all take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Have a wonderful 2026, and we will see you on the other side. Happy New Year.